And I was told to put some ice on this tonight. This is still smarting. And there's no ice here. So I told her to make me an ice pack. You put 1 to 3 of rubbing alcohol. So a quarter cup of rubbing alcohol, 3/4 cups of water mixed up in a freezer bag. Put it in the freezer and you'll have an instant gel pack, and I'm going to use that tonight when it gets done. Yes. Well, I got my gel pack here. Thank you very much, Organic Chick. She's running the camera for me. And it's really super cold and it's icy in there. She could have left it in the freezer a little bit longer, but I want to get this on here. And, oh yeah, thank you. I'm going to let it sit on here, and then I'm going to put this back in the freezer for tomorrow. And then once I get it out of the freezer, it's going to be all icy all the way, and then I can just push on it and break it up and put it on there again. Now, I'm going to put something else on my hand in a little while. Organic Chick, can you tell me what that is? What was it? Some clay.
Healing clay.
Healing clay, and she mixed it up, and it's in this jar, and she just puts it on there. It's a paste, and that's going to help draw anything bad out of my wound, right?
Correct.
Okay. Is there anything else you want to say about that?
No, that should do it.
Well, you mixed it up, and it comes in a dry form, right?
It comes in a powdered form, and then you add water. You can add a lot of water and drink it, or add a little water and make a paste.
And you've made a paste, and it's just in a glass jar, and you've had it for several weeks, haven't you?
Yes.
Or maybe even longer.
I just keep it on hand because I use it for everything.
And I'm gonna take this off, and I'm gonna show you the wound in a while, and we're gonna put some of that on, and I'm gonna leave it there for the night and see what happens. Okay, that's all I got for this time, but I'll be back showing you more later.